Hey, are you that person that friends and family say, go ahead, bring the paper plates or that bag of chips to the food functions that are coming up? We're gonna save your reputation today. I'm gonna show you and walk you through how to make a pumpkin dump cake. Super easy, super quick. You're gonna love it, they're gonna love it. We're about to save your reputation. Let's get started. First, in a big bowl, we're gonna take some pure pumpkin puree. To that, we're gonna add Carnation's evaporated milk and some salt, pumpkin pie spice, brown sugar, 3 eggs. I'm gonna whisk up real quick here with a little fork. Blend everything together. If you've got a whisk, it might work even better, but hey, you're the bag of chips guy, so you probably don't. I've got a pre-greased 9x13 pan. Notice it's an aluminum pan, disposable pan, because if you're the bag of chips guy, you're probably not somebody who owns a baking dish. Besides that, think about it. This not only gonna be so easy and cheap, it's disposable. No dishes to wash up afterwards. So we're gonna take our mixture. We're gonna pour it in. Make sure we have it all. Simple. Leave that as it is. Don't do anything to the bowl. We're about to use that as is. Got a cup of melted butter, which is the equivalent of 2 sticks of butter. Just go ahead and dump that in the bowl. 1 box of spice cake mix. Mix this all together. Now with a spoon, we're gonna put dollops of our cake mix all across the top. Every little last piece of goodness out of this. Kind of spread it around as best you can. Next, we're gonna be putting toppings on. I've got some pecans here, but I've also got graham cracker crumbs. Now, ideally, I've got about 4 sections of graham cracker crumbs in here. If you had a rolling pin, you'd be smashing them all up with the rolling pin. But again, you're the bring a bag of chips guy. You probably don't have that. So go get yourself a big old can of beans because you're probably the kind of guy that has that. Take that, smash up the graham cracker in your little sandwich bag, roll over it. That's gonna do every bit as good as a rolling pin. There we go. Gonna take that. We're gonna start spreading this all over the top. Take a pecans, about 1/2 cup, scatter those across the top. We're gonna be baking this for about 50 to 55 minutes. So we've already done the hard work. This hardly took any time at all. Maybe 10 minutes of prep time, an hour in the oven, you are good to go. Let's pop that in, see how it comes out. Okay, I've got it out of the oven. It's looking terrific. About to give it a taste. It's still gonna be pretty hot. Ideally, let it cool for as long as possible before serving it. I don't know how much time you'll have if you're in a rush to get off to that family or work event, but ideally, give it a little bit of time. It'll kind of set up. Now, like I say, it looks terrific. How does it taste? This is terrific, y'all. Your friends, your family, your coworkers, they are going to be so impressed with you. This is going to be one of the best things at that food function. And when you buy that disposable thing, a lot of times they come with lids. It's going to make it so easy to carry. You're going to love this. People are going to love you. With that said, give me a subscription down below. Leave me a comment. Love your comments. And I will catch y'all the next time. Bye-bye.